Now we're going to work on the thigh muscles. So I always have a system about these things. We consider the side of your body here, the IT band, as your tuxedo stripe. Now we're going to work the next 4 pieces of the leg. So think of yourself as having a strip. I'm going to start from the left and move to the right. So strip number 1 is the top outside of your thigh, right down. Strip number 2, top of the thigh. Strip number 3, inner top of the thigh. And finally, strip number 4, inside of the thigh. Moving to the other leg, same thing. 5, inside. 6, top inside. 7, top. 8, top outside. So we'll start by lying onto the foam roller. So draw it back a little bit so you can keep your feet on the mat. Put your hips lying down onto it. So here's my hip bones right here, my hip joints actually. And I'm going to put my elbows down, and I'm going to imagine that I'm, crawling through a tube, playing with the kids at the park. And so I'm just going to roll myself forward using the power of my upper body. I'm working actually to keep my shoulders down, really concentrating. And back. And then I'm going to move over to my left. So I've taken some of the weight off the right side of my body. The right side of your body will still stay engaged with the roller most of the way through this, but I want you to think of your mental and intent focus on the left side. So begin by rolling slightly over. You can use your knee to help you. And you're going to go down strip number 1. So I'm going to just walk myself out. Strip number 1, I'm walking all the way down to the top of my knee or just a little bit above. And now I'm going to move over to strip number 2, which is the top of my thigh. And I'm rolling on strip number 2 as I come back. And then I'm going to roll to strip number 3. So you can see that I slightly bent my knee, and now I've shifted my body weight a little bit more to the right side so that I can sort of open that up a little bit and get that number 3 stripe, so that's the inner top. And I'm going to roll back, and then finally I'm going to bend my foot and I'm going to form the 4. So now I can get the inside of my thigh. So this is a tricky position, and you might not be able to get your inner thigh down there all the way the first time you try. Don't be frustrated, just keep right on trying. It'll come quickly, you'll be surprised. So you can see I'm just pulling myself back and forth. It's not very difficult, and it's actually a nice upper body, sort of a passive upper body workout at the same time. So form the 4 with the right leg, bring it in. Here's the inner thigh, and I'm going to roll up, and I'll roll back, and then I'm changing. And now I'm on the inside top, so this is strip number 6. And back. And then going to the top of the thigh, strip number 7. I'm working on my right thigh right now, just walking back and forth with my elbows. Keep your hands in a soft fist or just relaxed. And then finally, I'm going to actually make a conscious effort to roll to my right slightly. I'm going to bend this knee to get there, and I'm going to walk it forward and walk it back. So I'd suggest that you do it in that order, work your way left to right, do all the way across, 1 up and down on each strip, and then if you feel like you'd like to try the second time, go ahead and repeat that section. So that is foam rolling your thighs.